What's going on, guys? Gemini here. Today's video we're going to do the Austin Racing exhaust install, and I'll do a little before and after sound check. As you can see, still have the stock exhaust. So this is going to be a cold start with the stock exhaust. And I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, and we'll give it some revs. Just get a little sound check. Alright, and we're back. We got the Austin Racing exhaust installed. It's just a slip-on, it's not a full system. I don't know if I mentioned that before. It took about 10, maybe 15 minutes. Really easy. I mean, it was just this one bolt right here and then the hanger that I bought, which is not going to be needed anymore. So I'm about to buy another block-off plate for there, just for aesthetic purposes. So this is going to be the first start. I'm going to check for leaks and we'll hear how it sounds. Definitely a bit throatier. I like it. So that's it. We're gonna head out and take it for a ride, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're out here on the road with the Austin Racing exhaust installed. I'm just gonna cruise around a little bit, downshift, rev it, you know, just give you guys a little taste of what it's like on the streets, so enjoy.